In this video, we will try to see whether we can use simple diagrams to predict what will happen if everybody follows their best choices. First, we'll introduce some vocabulary. Let's look at the diagram we drew for Anna and Ben again. We will describe their situation as a game. It's a social game, really. Consequently, we will say that Anna and Ben are players. The arrows that point to their best responses will be called flow diagram. Now, in the previous steps, we said that in this game, no player will clean. How do we know this? Well, first we saw that no matter what Anna does, Ben does not want to clean. This is what the blue arrows say. Next, we saw that Anna's situation is the same. No matter what Ben does, she does not want to clean. This is what the green arrows say. Since nobody ever wants to clean, it is quite easy to say how the whole story will end. Ben will not clean and Anna will not clean. This is the solution to this game. Things are not always this simple. Let's modify our situation a bit. Say, Ben's preferences are different. Say he hates mess, but thinks it's enough if one person cleans. If Anna doesn't clean, he wants to clean. I will draw an arrow to show this. If Anna cleans, nothing changes. Ben would still rather drink coffee. What will happen? Anna's preferences did not change. She will not clean because this is her best response no matter what Ben's decision is. But what should Ben do? This depends on one very important assumption. Does he know what Anna's preferences are? Let's assume he does. Ben knows what Anna wants. In this case, things are still quite simple. He knows she will not clean. Therefore, he knows this is his situation. And in this situation, his best response is to clean. This is where we end up. Ben will clean and Anna will not. Okay, let's introduce another change. Say both Anna and Ben don't like mess. If the other person is not cleaning, they want to clean. But they also think that one person cleaning is enough, meaning that if Ben cleans, Anna does not want to clean, and if Anna cleans, Ben does not want to clean. We need one change in our diagram. This arrow has to go in the other direction. What will happen now? Things just got messy, didn't they? In the previous example, we had to assume that Ben knows what Anna wants because his best response depended on her choice. But this time, Anna has no clear best choice no matter what Ben does. Her situation is the same as Ben's. Her best response depends on his choice. To solve this problem, we need to make some clear assumptions regarding knowledge. We will assume that Ben knows what Anna's preferences are and that Anna knows what Ben's preferences are. But this will not be enough. What we need is called common knowledge. We'll talk about it in the next step.